How many blues do you have in your color palette? Blues are amazing. They can be used for everything. Think of blue as your secret weapon. Using a light, cool blue could be nice and calming, whereas using darker blues might end up being mysterious or vibrant, or even sometimes melancholy and foreboding. Blue's really your go-to if you're looking to create something that has a bit of depth in it, so a little bit of depth of field, distance in the background. Even though blue is all over this painting, you can see that the ocean is coming towards you while the sky is heading away from you. Blue is just magic like that. It's great for your creative brain to get some blue watercolor on paper today. It doesn't matter what you paint, just start by splashing some color around and see where it leads you.